Hello students, today the topic is volumes, alright, and we have to find out the volume of the given cube and cuboids. There's just one cube here and 3 are cuboids. Now there are 4 figures given here. Question 1, question 2, question 3 and question 4. Alright, so I have done the first one as an example for you. You have to find out the volume of the cuboid. Okay, it is a cuboid. Okay, all its sides are not equal, so it is a cuboid. So what do you have to do here? You know your formula, right? So the first line that has to be done is writing down the formula. The formula for this cuboid is volume of cuboid is equal to length multiplied by breadth multiplied by height. So the length and breadth are 4 and 4, okay, but its height is 6. So when you multiply 4 by 4, you get 16. So I have written down 16, and then I will take the third 6, that's the height. I multiply 16 by 6 and I get 96 inches cube. Alright, I have multiplied all 3 sides, and the volume of this cuboid will be 96 inches cube. Moving on to the rest of the question, these are just the 4 figures. What have you to do here is to find out question number 2, 3 and 4. You have to find out the volume. Alright, find the volume of the 3 figures. Alright, moving on to word problems. The first word problem that is given here is, I'll read it for you and I've done the working. This is how we do the working for the word problems. Amna has been keeping her money in a box for 6 years. This box is 8 inches long, 5 inches wide and 3 inches tall. What is the volume of the money box? Now you have to find the volume of the money box here. What is the length of the box? 8. The breadth is 5 and its height is 3. So it was just simple. I multiplied all 3 figures. The length and breadth when I multiplied is 40. 8 times 5 is giving us 40, and then its height is 3, so multiply the height on the next step. 40 times 3 is 120 inches cube. Okay, it's inches. Okay, so this is the volume. The money was filled in 6 years. It was completely filled with the money. And what was the volume of the box? It was 120 inches cube. Alright, so the answer statement is volume of the money box is 120 cubic inches. Now we have the second word problem, right? So these are the word problems that you will be doing it. There are 2 more word problems that will be done by you. Okay. Jim dug soil for 10 rectangular planting pits. Each planting pit is 10 centimeters long, 8 centimeters wide and 6 centimeters deep. What is the volume of the soil removed from each planting pit? So finding out the volume of the soil which was there in the given pits. Okay, so you're going to work out the length, breadth and height. This time you will not see length, breadth and height given there. You will need to just be smart enough to understand the volume, the length, breadth. Okay, length is your it can be your 10 centimeters, and breadth can be 8. Height, you can make it your 6 centimeters. Okay, so this is how we work out the question. Moving on to the last question. And the last question is, a pond is 50 meters long, 30 meters wide, and 2 meters deep. Find the capacity of the pond in cubic meter. Again, simple question. Length, breadth, and height. They have given us the length as your the first one. You can take this as length. The second one, that is the width, can be your breadth, and the depth can be your height. So just multiply them and you get the cubic meter, the capacity of the pond. Children, you will be doing this in your notebooks, and I shall be sharing the answers with you. Alright, so good luck with the work, okay, that is given to you. And I'm expecting every one of you to participate in this work, okay? And the more you practice, the better it is. So let's see you, and good luck. Bye for now.